Hey guys, hope everyone's having a great day. You'll have to excuse some of my boxes and things in the background. I am moving, so I kind of have some stuff all over the place. But my review today is going to be on the Baby Discovery Neptune Jumper by Ocean Discovery Jumper by Baby Einstein. That is the brand. You can see right here. Just be sure to check my video description for some more information. So I decided I wanted to do like a nautical themed bedroom for my son. So I ended up getting a lot of things that I could that were that would go with that theme. So this is like the ocean theme. He started using this at about 5 months when he can, he started picking his head up by 4 months. But as soon as he could pick it up all the way really well by himself, which was 5 months, I started putting him in this all the time. It was great because I could, leave him in this and keep him entertained while I cleaned or whatever. And they just have a blast jumping up and down. It comes with 4 height adjustments. So as they grow, you can pick it up bigger. And I would say that he used this for about 7 months. He used this till he was a year. So from about 5 months to 12 months. Some babies could probably get longer use out of it. My son's a little tall. He's on the tall end, so after a while it was like I couldn't leave him in this anymore. Plus when he started walking, he wanted to be moving around more and stuff like that. But this is so great. I can't even tell you. Like, I think everyone that has a baby should get one. So worth it. So it has like, these PlayStations. He would hit this. It's so cute. It's like a little lobster. And he would play with this. It's good for helping them like sensory and stuff like that. I love all the ocean stuff. These buttons you could hit. I don't currently have batteries in this right now because he hasn't used it in several months. But I'm currently pregnant, so when I have the new baby, I will certainly be using it again, which is great. I could get 2 uses out of it. And I think it's pretty unisex. I mean, you could use it for a boy or a girl. It doesn't matter. And I just think it's so cute. It's like the bright starts, that's what they call it, and their little feet go through here. Pretty sturdy, and honestly my husband's not very handy and he was able to put this together very easily. So if he was able to easily put it together, anyone else would be. It also, that you can choose to have the numbers in like 4 different languages. I did English, but if you're like bilingual, I think they had Spanish, French, and German as well, which I thought was really cool. And then these are like some little information things. My son used to like play with it and hit this. Clownfish. What else they got in here? Dolphin, teaching you about like some of the sea stuff, sea animals. Turtle. And like you can see, like it's in different languages too. And then on the back they have these photos. I love the ocean and stuff like that myself, so but you don't have to get this one. They make other kinds, but I love the Ocean Discovery one. So this, I think they tell you just to spot clean, but to be honest with you, I have had some instances where my son, I could see like he bit the top of this. That's why the white's coming off. I had some instances where he made me a dirty diaper through this. Sorry to be graphic, but what happens when you have a kid. This comes off, and I just threw it on gentle cycle in the washing machine. So I was able to clean it. It was just so gross. It was like I needed to like throw it in the washing machine. It needed more than just a spot clean. There's so many things on here they could just kind of play with, look at. All the colors are bright, really fun for them. Just jump up and down. I think it's perfect. And then they have like the warning on the side. Only use this product if you can sit up unassisted. Babies can fall from products resulting in head injuries. Never leave child unattended. Always keep child in view while the child is in this product, and never use near stairs. So of course, you just want to keep an eye out when you have your child in this. I know I would always keep an eye out and like, be cleaning, dusting, whatever, getting some stuff done while he was jumping around in this. And honestly, it's a lifesaver. It's good for them developmentally and sensory, colors, helps them to feel around, learn different things. I would say clownfish and like have him point to it. Turtle, have him point to it. It's just great all around, and I definitely highly recommend this product. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my review of Baby Einstein Ocean Discovery Jumper. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and a like. Thanks guys, and have a great day.